everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious recipe, coconut salmon in air fryer. This is the best recipe for the seafood lover. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is oilless, oil-free cooking. I have a salmon pieces. These are washed with the cold water, patted dry. I put it on a paper towel so that it can soak up all the water. 2 eggs we're going to marinate with these spices: ground ginger, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. It's a 1/4 teaspoon each. Then coconut powder. I make my own coconut powder from coconut flake. I have an ultimate chopper. Place the coconut flakes inside. Grind it like a 10 second. This is it. And let me show you. This will be the powder. This is how I make my own coconut powder. You can use the coconut flakes also as for coating, but when it comes to like a powdery, then they taste better. And we're going to do the nice coating with the coconut powder. Add all the spices. Now we're going to mix it well. So with the help of whisk, we're going to beat it well. Once the egg is nicely beaten, now we're going to place the salmon fish. This is what you need to do. Once it's coated nicely, we're going to turn these pieces over. It will soak up the egg mixture and all the spices, and it will be nicely marinated. So we're going to do it for half an hour. After 15 minutes, I'll come back and I'll turn these over. So cover the lid and leave it on a countertop. If it's too hot, then put it in the fridge. It's a half an hour. After 15 minutes, I just turn it over like this. Coconut powder is ready, and we're going to place the salmon fillet on top of it. Shake up the extras. This is what we're going to do. Get the coconut powder, just put it on top of it. Just like this. Just tap it. This is good. And now we're going to turn this like this on the side, edges. Shake up extra and look at this. Perfect coating. And I'll place it on the plate and we'll get another one. Same process. So this is the perfect coating. The last piece. Shake up the extra egg, place it, and same way we just do it on the side and shake up the extra and place it on plate. How perfectly nicely coated with coconut powder. So now we'll take this one to air fryer. I have air fryer ready, and we're going to pull the basket out. Place the salmon fillet right on top of it, just like this. We're going to put it in. I'll plug it in. We're going to turn it on. It has a pre-setting. If we take a look, we're going to move around. And chicken, and this is the fish. This one is a 400 degree Fahrenheit and 10 minutes. So this is preset timing, and we're going to press it. And now it automatically started. So after 10 minutes, the fish will be completely done. Then I'll pull it out, then I'll share. We're almost done. It's been 10 minutes. We're going to give 1 more minute so that it can cool down. We waited for 1 minute. And I'll open it. I'll open it first. Look at this. Oh, delicious. Within 10 minutes, the coconut salmon is all done. I have my serving plate ready. Super delicious. Let me share with you. coconut salmon in air fryer. Within 10 minutes it's all ready. We don't have to do anything. Once you place it in air fryer, this is oilless, oil-free cooking. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.